Today is just our imagination, and I have 3 items that were selected: book pages, a wire basket, and a party hat. Hey, I'm going to party! Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. So sit back and enjoy these 3-in-1 interesting items. DIY number 1, 2, and 3. The supplies needed include a paper cup, book pages, hot glue, lots of it, recycled plastic bottle, black and mineral acrylic paint, 1 round wood piece, gold construction paper, 1 large punch, 1 small punch, a hanging lantern that has a bulb. Now, I wanted to try using all 3 items into 1 piece, and I think I succeeded. I removed the chain from the wire basket and set it aside. Then I used a party hat and wrapped it around the basket. It did not fit like I intended, however, I made it work with a bit of struggle. I cut the hat into 2 pieces and used the larger part on the bottom of the basket and the smaller part on the top of the basket. And I had to fill in the blank spots with some other cardstock paper or construction paper, the gold one that I was using. Next, it was time to make the flowers. I cut an opening in the bottom of a paper cup. That was my basis for making the flowers. I cut about 15 circles for each flower with a punch. Then I folded each circle in half and began layering them around the bottom of the cup. Each time I made a circle, I added more of the circle to the inside of the cup. And once all 15 circles were used, I removed it from the cup and hot glued a circle to the bottom of the flower. Now it was time to add them to the wire basket. Of course, I can glue them to the party hat. Now, I added the flowers to the top until all 33 flowers were glued onto the frame. And then to fill in some of the gaps, I found a smaller container and I made about 3 to 4 flowers. Now on to the base. I originally painted the thrifted plastic container black, and as a side note, I mixed the black with some baking soda to give the bottle a little bit of texture. However, it was a bit too much. It was too dark. So I painted over the black with mineral acrylic chalk paint. Once they were painted for the second time, I thought it looked pretty good with the mineral paint. And a little bit of the black was showing through, but hey, that's okay. I hot glued the wood base that I also painted with the black and then to the mineral acrylic paint to the plastic jug to give it a bit of weight, because the plastic bottle was just a little flimsy and with just a little push it was falling over, and I wanted some substance to it. Then I put a Dollar Tree hanging lantern through the opening at the top of the basket and hot glued it together. Now, I did not use E6000, but you can. Right now, it is holding, and I'm so happy. But to hide the on and off switch, I took one of the book page flower and put it on top. Now, I did not put the gold construction paper on top of the flower. I left that open so that it would fit over that part of the on and off switch. The neat thing about this, as you can probably see now, this lampshade is that you can turn it upside down and use it as a basket, or you can wear it as a hat. Just Our Imagination is a collaboration using 3 must-use items. The hosts are Kathy Joe's DIYs and Rustic and Lace DIY. And the guest host is Craft Crumbs. These are fabulous women who can imagine and DIY anything and make it look really great. So be sure to like, subscribe, and save. The link to their channels is in the description box below. Now, there are other crafters who have used their imagination also, so be sure to subscribe and like their channels too. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. Well, thanks for watching my 3-in-1. I appreciate and love each one of you. I hope you like what you've seen, and so please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also, follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. And if there is something you would like for me to make, let me know. I'll see if I can create it. And remember, prayer is where peace begins and worry ends. I'll see you later. Bye. Love, Cindy.